Hello folks! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we've got something exciting for you. We will be teaching you how to create a super smooth zoom transition using CapCut video editing software for the desktop version. So let's dive in. First, open up your CapCut. Import and add the video clip you want to track. I've already placed the video clips that we are going to use as an example for today's tutorial. After you've imported and positioned your video clips, add a keyframe to it exactly 1 second before the end of the first clip. Next, add a keyframe at the end of the first video clip and then zoom it in. The level of zoom is entirely up to you. It should look like this. Next, add a keyframe at the beginning of the second video clip. Then zoom in on it as much as you did on your first video clip. Afterward, add a keyframe in the first 1 second of your second video clip, then zoom it out to its original size. It should look like this. Next, to add the pulse effect, go to the Effects section. Click on Video Effects, select Nightclub, and then locate and add the pulse effect. After adding the pulse effect, position the beginning of the effect at the first keyframe of the first video clip. The end of the pulse effect should be placed at the second keyframe of the second video clip. Then, don't forget to decrease the speed of the pulse effect. And here's the final result. And there you have it. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.